Hey guys, this is Mark Roemke with Ninja Training TV. Today we have a Shodan level Kukishinden Ryu called Kudaki. Oh wait, Kao Kudaki. Hype-tra! The killer technique. Hype-tra! Thank you for not hitting me. Okay, so when you're training with your partner, make sure you have somebody who knows how to handle the Hanbo, because with this technique, I'm coming in with a thrust. They're flipping the Hanbo over, and it says in the waza of Kukishinden Ryu to either hit the sword or to hit the wrist. We are hitting the back of the sword today because then we get to actually make contact and hit without breaking bones. That starts to lower my arm and my face, which brings that right where he pulls the Hanbo through with the backhand through the front. He steps in with the left and then comes through with a hit and ends it. We're into the nether regions then of the next week. So he flips, hits, pulls through, and smacks. You'll have to play with the distancing of your own footwork, because sometimes if you step forward, you're too jammed in. You might even step backward. Let's try with one step backward on the second. Hit, boom. Okay, too far away. So then you might play with how far you pull it through your hand. Maybe you pull it all the way through and you get a different distance in here. Boom. Oh, he would have clocked me on that one. So this is the fun of exploring with your partner. And if you don't have a partner, you can go outside, have a tree or something where you set up an apparatus and lash your sword or your Hanbo to it, and then pretend that stab's coming in. You can angle out and you can really practice a lot. We had a lot of people in COVID times go through all the way to black belt with their own solo training, and it was totally possible for them to do it, and they gained immense skills. Then we met up later on after, and I got to test them for their black belt in person, and it was so cool. They were really good, and I'm like, wow, just from training at home. So solo training is some of the key concepts to the Bujinkan and getting at it better in any martial art that you do. Visualization and going through. So I highly recommend that you guys do that for your training. All right, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, keep training.